Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to download and install the TPlayer application to your Fire TV device. This video is going to be a full guide. That means I will show you every single step you need to follow on your Fire TV device to install this application. So please make sure you watch this video right up to the end and follow attentively so you grasp everything I'm to show you in the video. So if you find the video helpful, you know what to do. You can support me if you can by liking, subscribing, and sharing if you want more to create more videos like this. So that's it. Let's get started. As I said, this is a full guide. The very first step or the very first thing you need to do on your Fire TV to install this application is to install the download application. The download application is what we need or what we'll be using to get this application. So what you need to do to install downloader is come to the find or search button and go over here and type in downloader, or simply just type in D and you will get the suggestion over here. Once you click on the suggestion, it brings you to the application, and here's it over here. If you click on it, it's going to bring you to the installation page. All you need to do is to click download and the application start downloading straight away to your Fire TV device. It is compatible with my device, so that's why I can download it, and it is available on the App Store. The other applications that we're going to be installing are not available on this App Store. So once the application is installed, you can return home, because that's just the very first step you need to do on your FireStick device. Now the second step after installing downloader is to make sure that your device is able to install applications from unknown sources. A default FireStick device or a new FireStick device doesn't allow you automatically to install applications from unknown sources. So as a user, you need to turn that on. So to fix that, you need to go over to your settings, and on your settings, come over to the option that says My Fire TV. In this option, you might or may not see this option that says Developer option. If you see the option, then I'm sure you are already able to install applications from unknown sources. You are good to go and you can forward the video. If you don't see the option, then you are not yet able to install applications from unknown sources, and I will show you how to make this appear. To make this appear, come over to the option that says About. On your FireStick device or on the name of your FireStick device, click the OK button on your controller 5 times until there is a pop-up below that says No need, you are already a developer. Once you get that pop-up, then this option has popped up and you can return here and turn it on. As you come over to it, there is a second option here, Apps from unknown sources. This is what we are interested in. This is the option that allows you to install applications from unknown sources, so you need to make sure that this option is turned on. If this option is not turned on, you wouldn't be able to install applications from unknown sources, and whatever I'm about to show you is not going to work. So please make sure to turn this on, and then you can return home. Once you return home, we've done 2 steps already. We've installed downloader and we've turned on the developer options. Now the next step is to install a mini app store to our Fire TV device. To do that, launch downloader, and this is how downloader should look like for your very first time. If you don't know how to use downloader, it's simple. All you need to do is you type in a code and you can install an application. So in that case, the code we need to use to install the application that is going to allow us to install the TPlayer is called is 21254. So once you go over here, just type in this short code 21254 and you go ahead and launch. Once you launch the code, this is exactly what is going to happen. It is going to bring you to a page called Malavida, and on this page you are going to see a button that is going to allow you to install the application called APK Time. APK Time is a mini app store that you can use on your Fire TV device to install other applications. So this app store doesn't just install the TPlayer, but also other several applications, and I'm going to show you that. So to download this, just go over to the download button over here and click on it. Once you click on it, it is going to start downloading the application to your Fire TV device. It wouldn't take a while. It will just take a couple of seconds, and then you can install the application and then start using it. So go over here, click install, and the application is going to install to your Fire TV device, and then you can go ahead and use it. Now the application is installed. Please delete this from your device so you don't feel unnecessary space. Once that is done, go back home. I can return to your FireStick home. We've done we've done three steps already. We've installed downloader, we've turned on the other option. I've installed a mini app store called APK Time. So in this video, I've showed you how to install a mini app store, which you can also use while showing you how to download and install a TPlayer application. So I am shooting two birds with one stone. Anyway, let's continue. After installing the application, what you need to do is to launch this. This is the application we need to use to install the TPlayer, and as you can see for yourself, this application has other applications that can install to your Fire TV device. These are various categories of popular applications that you can use on your Fire TV device. I can install them by just installing this application. So this is a mini app store, and if you're interested in installing applications on your Fire TV device without using the app store, then this should be a solution. Anyway, let's continue. Come on to the option that says players and browsers. That's where we're going to find a TPlayer, since TPlayer is a player. So what you need to do, cover here and then you scroll down or you go down, because TPlayer is one of the last applications at the bottom. So come down below and you are going to see the TPlayer application somewhere down here. So just come down, down again, down again, and here is the application over here. TPlayer, as you can see, it is updated November 9th. I'm creating this video on November 11th or November 12th, so the application is up to date. So once you come over here, how do you download it? It is simple. Just click on the download over here and then allow this. The application is going to start downloading on your Fire TV device. Once it's done downloading, they can go ahead and install. This is very simple. As you are watching this video, I'm sure you are learning a lot so far. So please make sure to support me by subscribing. Now the application is downloaded. Once it's done downloading, you can then go ahead and install it to your Fire TV device. And this is how to install it. Just click install and then you can wait for the application to completely install. I can go ahead and start using it. So the application is installed. Click done, close this application, and if you return home after closing and come over to your apps over here, if you come over to your apps over here, here's the application. It has been downloaded and installed. You can go ahead and launch it and start using it. Now I just want to say TPlayer is just a player. It doesn't have access to any content. You need to have your content source to use this application. So you need to have content on your Fire TV device to completely watch it on this application. This is not a streaming app. This is just a player they can use on your Fire TV device. So that's it about this video. If you found it helpful, I showed you several steps here, and I showed you two things to do, or two important applications to use on Fire TV device. So if you found it helpful or you find this interesting, please support me by liking, subscribing, and sharing the video if you want me to keep on creating videos like this.